Welcome back to our channel Respect Education.
Okay friends, now let us see question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b is equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 and minus 2 because 6 divided by minus 2, see a divided by b is equal to minus 3. So let us take 6 as a and minus 2 as b. So it is 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. That means a divided by b is equal to minus 3. Okay, given 6 divided by minus 2, see here it is given 6 divided by minus 2. That means 6 divided by can be written as by minus 2. So it is 6 can be written as plus 6 by minus 2 is equal to minus 3 because see at different symbols, plus by minus, plus by minus is minus and 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, so it is minus 3. Therefore what is the pair? It is 6 comma minus 2. Here you observe the logic friends. It can be solved easily. Just multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by any integers of our own choice. See here friends, you will understand more clearly. Just multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by any integer of our own choice. That means we can take any integer of our own choice and multiply and divide it by both numerator and denominator. Okay. Now let us take an integer of our own choice. Let us consider it as 2. That is 2 into. Let us take the pair which is given. So it is 2 into 6 by 2 into minus 2. Why I have multiplied with 2? Because multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by any integer of our own choice. This means multiply and divide. See, I have multiply and divide 2 into 2 by 2. So multiply and divide both numerator and denominator. See, I have multiplied both numerator and denominator with 2 by any integer, that is 2 of our own choice. So 2 into 6 by 2 into minus 2. What is 2 into 6? It is 12 by 2 into minus 2. 2 can be written as plus 2. So plus into minus is minus. 2 2s are 4. So 12 by minus 4. 12 by minus 4 is nothing but 3. Minus 3. Because before 12 there is an invisible plus. So 12 can be written as plus 12 by minus 4. Plus by minus is minus. 4 ones are 4. 4 3s are 12. So it is minus 3. Therefore pair is 12 comma minus 4. Now let us take another integer of our own choice. Let us consider it as 3. Now as it is, let us take the given pair. It is 6 by minus 2. So 3 into 6 by 3 into minus 2 because we should multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by any integer of our choice. So we have taken the integer of our own choice as 3 and we should multiply and divide both numerator and denominator. So it is 3 into 6, that is numerator, by 3 into minus 2, that is denominator. Now 3 into 6 is 18 by 3 into minus 2. 3 can be written as plus 3. So it is plus 3 into minus 2. Plus into minus is minus. 3 to the 6. So it is 18 can be written as plus 18. Now plus 18 by minus 6. Let us observe the symbols carefully. Here is plus and here is minus. That means different symbols. So plus by minus. What is plus by minus? It is minus. And 6 ones are 6. 6 3s are 18. So it is minus 3. Therefore the pair of integers are 18 and minus 6. Okay friends, now let us consider another number. That means we have to take another integer of our own choice. Okay, now let us take it as 4. So it is 4 into 6 by minus 2, that is 4 into 6 by 4 into minus 2. Multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by any integer of our own choice. The integer of our own choice is 4 and let us take the given pair. So it is 6 by minus 2. Now we should multiply and divide both numerator and denominator. So it is 4 into 6 by 4 into minus 2. Now 4 into 6 is 24 by 4 into minus 2. This is plus 4. So it is plus into minus. Minus 4 2s are 8. So it is 24 by minus 8. Now 24 can be written as plus 24. So it is plus 24 by minus 8. Now plus by minus is minus. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So it is minus 3. Therefore the pair is 24 and minus 8. Okay friends, now let us consider another integer. It is minus 2. Friends, here we can only not consider this plus positive numbers, but we can also consider negative numbers. That means we can take integers of negative numbers and the integers from also positive numbers. So now let us take negative numbers. Now let us consider minus 2. Minus 2 is minus 2 into 6 by minus 2 into minus 2, because we have to multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by any integer that we take. So it is minus 2 into 6 by minus 2 into minus 2. See here it is, so minus 2 into 6. Minus 2 into 6 is minus 12 by minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So minus 12 by 4 can be written as plus 4. So minus by plus is minus. So 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So it is minus 3. Therefore the pair is 12 minus 12 comma 4 can be written as plus 4. It is 4. So pair is minus 12 comma 4. Okay friends, now let us consider another integer. It may be minus 10. So minus 10 into 6 by minus 10 into minus 2. So as you know, we should multiply and divide both numerator and denominator with the integer that we choose. So minus 10 into 6 by minus 10 into minus 2. Now minus 10 into 6 is minus 60 by minus 10 into minus 2 is 20. So minus 60 by 20 can be written as plus 20 is equal to minus by plus is minus, and 21s are 20, 23s are 60. So it is minus 3. Therefore the pair of integers are minus 60 and 20, plus 20 or 20. So here it is asked 5 pairs of integers. So here we can stop friends. Now we can get many pairs as such. So we can get many pairs. We can take any number. Okay, positive numbers, negative numbers, any number. Therefore the required 5 pairs of integers are 12 minus 4, 8, 18 and minus 6, 24 and minus 8, minus 12 and 4, minus 60 and 20. See here you can see. Okay friends, there is a small note. You can take any integers, positive numbers, any negative numbers or anything, but you should not take 0. If you take 0, let us do here, if you take 0, so here it is 0 into 6 by 0 into minus 2. So it is 0 into 6 by 0 into minus 2. As you can see, 0 into 6 is 0 and 0 into minus 2 is 0. So 0 by 0, any number by 0 is not defined. So the answer is not defined. You can take any number but not 0. Except 0 you can take positive numbers, negative numbers, your wish, but you should not take 0. Is it clear, friends?
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.